Hi guys, eating spicy food. So, this is called in the Philippines pancit canton. By the way, I live in Philippines, so I'm just English speaking today, but I know everything. Magandang mabuhay! Spicy guys, spicy. Ang gab. Sili guys, sili.